Number 15, the Colomban Cri-Cri is celebrated as the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft, a remarkable ultralight machine that embodies simplicity, innovation, and efficiency in aviation design. Created by French aeronautical engineer Michel Colomban, this tiny aircraft features a lightweight aluminum airframe with a wingspan of just over 16 feet and a length of around 12 feet, making it incredibly compact, yet aerodynamically efficient. Its twin engines are mounted on the nose, providing both redundancy and impressive maneuverability for an aircraft of its size, while the bubble canopy design gives the pilot excellent visibility during flight. The Cri-Cri is capable of speeds exceeding 140 mph, with an exceptional climb rate for such a small airframe, and its fuel efficiency makes it highly practical for short recreational flights. Despite its minimal size, the cockpit is cleverly designed to accommodate a single pilot comfortably, and the straightforward controls make it accessible for experienced hobbyists. With its ease of construction, low operating cost, and fun, agile performance, the Colomban Cri-Cri has earned a reputation as not only a feat of engineering, but also as an iconic symbol of personal, lightweight aviation. Number 14, the Volonaut Airbike is an innovative ultralight aircraft that combines the freedom of flying with the simplicity of motorized personal transport, offering a unique blend of practicality and adventure. Designed with a minimalist yet efficient structure, it features an open-frame design that resembles a flying motorbike, giving the pilot an unmatched sense of immersion and excitement in the air. The lightweight build, crafted from durable yet strong materials, ensures both safety and performance while keeping the aircraft agile and easy to control. Powered by a compact yet reliable engine, the Airbike delivers smooth thrust and stable flight dynamics, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Its simple takeoff and landing capabilities allow it to operate from short grass strips or open fields, adding to its versatility. The seating position is comfortable and intuitive, with controls arranged to feel natural, much like riding a motorcycle, but in the sky. Economical to operate and easy to maintain, the Volonaut Airbike captures the spirit of personal aviation, offering a thrilling yet practical way to experience the joy of flying in its purest form. Number 13, the Hummel Ultra Cruiser is a highly regarded ultralight aircraft that blends classic design with modern performance, making it a favorite among aviation enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity, efficiency, and style. Built with an all-metal construction, it offers durability and strength while remaining extremely lightweight, perfectly fitting within ultralight regulations. Its sleek, low-wing design not only enhances aerodynamic efficiency, but also provides a smooth and stable flying experience, giving pilots confidence in handling and maneuverability. The single-seat cockpit is spacious enough for comfort, with well-arranged controls that are easy to use, making the aircraft suitable for both new flyers and experienced pilots seeking a fun recreational plane. Powered by a reliable 4-stroke engine, the Ultra Cruiser delivers impressive fuel efficiency and dependable performance, allowing it to cruise comfortably while keeping operating costs low. It is designed for short takeoff and landing capability, making it versatile and adaptable to a variety of airstrips, from paved runways to open fields. Combining ease of construction, low maintenance needs, and enjoyable flight characteristics, the Hummel Ultra Cruiser stands as a practical yet exciting aircraft that embodies the freedom and accessibility of ultralight aviation. Number 12. The CGS Hawk Arrow II is a versatile ultralight aircraft that has earned recognition for its durability, performance, and user-friendly design, making it a popular choice among recreational pilots. Featuring a high-wing configuration, supported by struts, it offers excellent stability and unobstructed visibility, which enhances both safety and the flying experience. Its lightweight tubular frame combined with fabric covering ensures strength without sacrificing agility, while the streamlined design contributes to efficient aerodynamics and smooth handling. The Arrow II is a 2-seat tandem aircraft, allowing a passenger or student pilot to share the adventure, and its cockpit is designed with comfort in mind, featuring intuitive controls and a layout that is easy to master. Powered by a reliable engine, it delivers strong climb rates, efficient cruising performance, and economical fuel consumption, making it both practical and enjoyable for short trips or training flights. The aircraft's short takeoff and landing capability adds to its versatility, enabling operation from small grass fields or rural strips with ease. Known for being easy to build, maintain, and fly, The CGS Hawk Arrow II Number 11. The Kolb Firefly is a true classic in the world of ultralight aviation, designed to deliver maximum fun and simplicity, while staying within the strict weight limits of ultralight regulations. With its distinctive open cockpit layout, the Firefly offers pilots an exhilarating, wind-in-your-face flying experience that feels pure and unrestricted. Its high-wing pusher configuration not only provides excellent visibility, but also enhances stability and control, making it a forgiving aircraft for both beginners and experienced pilots. The lightweight tubular frame covered in durable fabric keeps the structure strong, yet extremely light, allowing for efficient performance and responsive handling. Equipped with a reliable small engine mounted at the rear, the Firefly is capable of smooth climbs, steady cruising, and economical fuel use, making it practical as well as entertaining. The aircraft's foldable wings are another standout feature, allowing for easy storage and transport in a small space, which adds tremendous convenience for owners. With quick takeoff ability, short landing distance, and the kind of maneuverability that brings real joy to flying, the Kolb Firefly remains a favorite among ultralight enthusiasts who value freedom, simplicity, and the sheer thrill of flight. Number 10. The Jordan Lake Airbike. LS-103 is a unique ultralight aircraft that perfectly captures the spirit of open-air flying, combining simplicity with dependable performance in a design that emphasizes both freedom and fun. With its minimalist frame and exposed structure, the LS-103 gives pilots the sensation of riding a motorcycle in the sky, offering an unmatched feeling of connection to the air around them. Built to comply with FAR Part 103 regulations, it maintains an extremely lightweight construction while still providing strength and durability through its tubular framework and fabric covering. Its high-wing, pusher propeller configuration ensures excellent visibility and stability, making it an approachable aircraft for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a small yet reliable engine, the Airbike delivers smooth climbs, steady cruise speeds, and efficient fuel usage, all while keeping operational costs low. The single-seat cockpit is designed for comfort and straightforward control, giving pilots an easy learning curve while maximizing the joy of flight. Known for its low maintenance needs and ease of assembly, the Jordan Lake Airbike LS-103 stands out as a practical yet thrilling ultralight that brings the pure essence of aviation to life. Number 9. The Pterodactyl Ascender is a distinctive ultralight aircraft that showcases a unique blend of simplicity, agility, and excitement, making it one of the most recognizable designs in early sport aviation. With its open-frame construction and delta-wing configuration, it provides pilots with a true feeling of freedom, almost like flying a powered hang glider, while maintaining the stability and control of a light aircraft. The lightweight design, crafted with a combination of tubular framework and fabric covering, keeps it within ultralight limits while offering durability and ease of handling. Powered by a small yet efficient engine mounted in a pusher configuration, the Ascender delivers reliable thrust, smooth performance, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it practical as well as thrilling. The pilot's seating position is completely open to the air, enhancing visibility and immersing the flyer in the raw sensation of flight, something that has always appealed to aviation purists. With short takeoff and landing capability, easy storage, and low maintenance requirements, the Pterodactyl Ascender remains a symbol of the adventurous spirit of ultralight aviation, offering a simple yet exhilarating way to experience the skies. Number 8. The E-Spyder is a groundbreaking ultralight aircraft that represents the future of personal aviation by being one of the first fully electric-powered planes to receive certification for ultralight flight. Built on the proven design of the Flightstar Spyder, this innovative aircraft replaces the traditional combustion engine with a clean, quiet, and efficient electric motor, making it an environmentally friendly option for recreational flying. Its lightweight frame, combined with fabric-covered wings and a pusher configuration, ensures excellent stability, responsive handling, and smooth performance in the air. The electric motor provides reliable power with minimal vibration and noise, enhancing the comfort and overall flying experience, while dramatically reducing operating costs compared to fuel-powered ultralights. The battery system is designed to allow flights of up to an hour, ideal for training, short trips, or pure recreational enjoyment, and its simplicity makes maintenance far easier than conventional engines. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the thrill of flight, offering great visibility and a true connection to the sky. As a combination of proven ultralight engineering and forward-looking electric technology, the E-Spyder stands out as a pioneering aircraft that delivers both fun and sustainability in modern aviation. Number 7. The Icon A5 is a sleek and modern light sport aircraft that has redefined recreational flying with its innovative design, versatility, and ease of use. Featuring a stylish amphibious airframe, it is capable of taking off and landing on both water and land, opening up endless possibilities for adventure. Its folding wings make storage and transport remarkably convenient, allowing it to fit into a standard trailer or small hangar with ease. Built with lightweight composite materials, the A5 combines strength with efficiency, while its streamlined shape delivers excellent aerodynamic performance and fuel economy. The spacious two-seat cockpit is designed with an automotive-inspired layout, featuring intuitive controls, large windows for panoramic visibility, and even safety innovations like a spin-resistant airframe and a full aircraft parachute system for added security. Powered by a Rotax engine, the aircraft offers smooth, reliable performance with cruising speeds perfect for leisure flying. The Icon A5 is not only about practicality, but also about pure enjoyment, giving pilots a unique combination of safety, style, and versatility that makes it one of the most exciting light aircraft available today. Number 6. The Aeroprakt A22, often referred to as the Foxbat, is a popular ultralight aircraft admired for its excellent visibility, comfortable design, and dependable performance. With its distinctive high-wing configuration and large bubble-like cabin windows, the A22 provides pilots and passengers with almost unobstructed panoramic views, making it especially favored for sightseeing, aerial photography, and recreational flying. Its lightweight yet durable aluminum airframe is engineered for strength and efficiency, while the wide landing gear stance ensures stability on the ground and allows for operation from grass fields or unpaved strips with ease. The two-seat cockpit is spacious and ergonomically arranged, with intuitive controls that make it easy to fly for both beginners and seasoned aviators. Powered by a reliable Rotax engine, the A22 offers excellent fuel efficiency, smooth cruising speeds, and a strong climb rate, making it practical as well as enjoyable. Known for its short takeoff and landing capability, this aircraft is highly versatile and adaptable to different flying environments. Combining comfort, safety, and performance, the Aeroprakt A22 stands out as a well-rounded ultralight that brings both practicality and pleasure to personal aviation. Number 5. The Blackwing 635RG is a cutting-edge ultralight aircraft that blends advanced engineering with sleek Scandinavian design, offering pilots a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and efficiency. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber airframe, it combines exceptional strength with aerodynamic elegance, resulting in smooth handling and impressive fuel economy. Its retractable landing gear not only reduces drag, but also contributes to its remarkable cruising speed and agility, setting it apart from many other ultralights. The spacious two-seat cockpit is crafted with modern ergonomics in mind, featuring intuitive controls, high-quality finishes, and large windows that provide outstanding visibility. Powered by a Rotax engine, the 635RG delivers reliable thrust, excellent climb performance, and efficient cruising. Number 4. The Earthstar Gull 2000 is a refined ultralight aircraft that showcases a thoughtful balance of comfort, performance, and innovative engineering, making it a standout in the world of personal aviation. With its high-wing design and sleek aerodynamics, the Gull 2000 provides excellent stability and efficiency in flight, while its lightweight construction ensures compliance with ultralight regulations without sacrificing durability. The aircraft features a side-by-side two-seat cockpit, offering both pilot and passenger a spacious and comfortable flying environment with excellent visibility, thanks to its wide canopy design. Its well-arranged controls make it approachable for less experienced pilots while still engaging for seasoned flyers who enjoy responsive handling and smooth maneuverability. Powered by a reliable Rotax engine, the Gull 2000 delivers strong climb rates, efficient cruising performance, and low operating costs, making it both practical and enjoyable for recreational or cross-country flying. Designed with versatility in mind, it is capable of short takeoff and landing operations, allowing it to perform well on grass strips or smaller runways. With its combination of modern engineering, comfort, and flight efficiency, the Earthstar Gull 2000 represents a sophisticated, yet accessible option for ultralight enthusiasts. Number 3. The Quicksilver MXL Sport is one of the most iconic ultralight aircraft, admired for its simplicity, reliability, and open-air flying experience that captures the pure essence of recreational aviation. With its lightweight tubular frame and fabric-covered wings, the MXL Sport is designed to be strong yet incredibly agile, offering smooth handling and forgiving flight characteristics that make it ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Its high wing configuration and open cockpit design provide excellent. Number 2. The Belite Chipper is a modern ultralight aircraft that blends rugged utility with lightweight efficiency, offering a unique combination of bushplane versatility and compact design. Built with advanced composite materials and clever engineering, it achieves a strong yet remarkably light structure that delivers excellent performance while staying within ultralight limits. The Chipper's high wing configuration provides outstanding stability and visibility, making it ideal for recreational flying as well as off-airport adventures. Its short takeoff and landing capability allows it to operate from grass strips, dirt runways. Number 1. The Aerolite 103 is one of the most popular and accessible ultralight aircraft, admired for its simplicity, affordability, and pure flying enjoyment. Designed to fully comply with Part 103 regulations, it is extremely lightweight, yet built with durable materials that ensure both strength and reliability in the air. Its high wing configuration and open cockpit design give pilots an unmatched sense of freedom, while also providing excellent visibility and stable handling, making it ideal for beginners as well as seasoned enthusiasts. The aircraft is powered by a small, efficient engine in a pusher configuration, which delivers smooth thrust, reliable performance, and economical fuel consumption, keeping operating costs low. With its short takeoff and landing capability, the Aerolite 103 can easily operate from grass fields or small runways, adding to its versatility and convenience. The straightforward controls and comfortable seating